Yo, Orb, I'm here. My favorite place. Orb is bro. Sorry for my English because I'm not English. The cow or goat, the storage is fully out of storage and data runs over battery. Thank you, Bira Cubs. Yo, Orb. So, I'm here. My favorite place. Orb is my iconic style. Sorry, Orb, because Orb is bro. I cannot speak fluently using English language. That's my goat. I guess that's goat or cow. Cow or goat. Wow, there are 2 goats, 3 goats, and many more goats. Sorry for my English because I'm not English. This is not my first language. But I'm trying my best to learn English fluently in front of the camera because I started already a YouTube channel. The cow or goat eating a grass. The cow or goat eating a grass. Why he runs? Because the storage is fully out of storage and data, and he runs on battery. I would like to see this video next year.
Nice.
So I hope. Oh, thank you, Bira Cubs. So that's it, Orb, for my nonsense and not ready video. The date for today is December 31, 2025, and later 12 midnight. New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, Orb. Thank you for watching, Orb. Bira Cubs.